Hi guys, welcome back. I'm usually late, in particular when I have to go to a party, so today I'm gonna show you a very fast party makeup. First of all, I apply the foundation. This is the Glow Foundation by Sephora, and I use this brush that is from Kiko to apply it. Then I apply this concealer that in my opinion it's fantastic. It's from NARS and the shade is Macadamia. And then I use this brush that is from Kiko as the foundation one. The next step is to apply this eyeshadow all over the eyelid. I moisten the brush with a fixing spray, and this one is from MAC and it's quite famous. And then I use a brown eyeshadow in the socket line. In this period, I'm trying to learn how to make a good eyeliner line, so let me know what you think about the result. Then I define my eyebrows with this product that, okay, you will probably already know this because it's quite famous, but it's from Benefit. And then I put on some mascara. This is the Ultra Juice Curl from Sephora. Okay, now it's time to finish the face part of the makeup. I use this setting powder that it's actually one of my favorites. Then I apply this bronzer in the hollow of the cheeks. And this eyeliner that is from the Natural collection of Kiko. I forgot to do this before, but to finish the eye part, I use this eye pencil in the waterline to add a pop of light. And last but not least, I use this Sephora lip stain. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by subscribing and liking it.